Let's cut the above. Now we have a big yellow circle, 2 white circles, a small yellow circle, and yellow strips. Make 3 lines and color them black. Fold both of the white circle into half. Glue the small yellow circle on the big yellow circle. Glue both the white circles on the bee's body. Now we draw its eyes, cheek and mouth. Then use a correction pen or any white marker to sharpen the eyes. Prepare 2 little black strips and glue them on the bee's head. Use a hole puncher to create 2 tiny circles. Glue them on the black strips. Lastly, glue the yellow strips. Now you're done. Now we have a blue paper, white half circle and a red strips. Fold the blue paper into half and simply cut a curve shape. Make some decoration on the pocket of the apron. Glue the pocket onto the apron. Apply double-sided tape on both ends of the strips and stick it on. Now, do some simple decoration over the apron. Next, let's draw the utensils. Fill them with gray, orange and brown color. Cut them out. Now, you're done. Draw 2 black circles, 3 yellow circles, a triangle tail, and for legs. Draw the wings and cut. Now we have 2 black circles, 3 yellow circles, 1 pair of wings, 1 tail, and for legs. Apply double-sided tape on each part. You may also use glue. For yellow and black circles, stick them alternately. Stick its legs, wings, antennae, and tail. Use a hole puncher. Make 2 tiny yellow circles. Stick them on the antennae. Draw its eyes, mouth, and cheeks. Now the bee is done. Next, let's prepare the honey pot. Draw some dripping honey. Cut them off. Simply draw a pot handle. Leave some extra space at both ends. Now we have a yellow strip with double-sided tape, and also handle with double-sided tape at both ends. Decorate the honey pot. Glue the dripping honey. Roll and stick. Stick the handle onto the inner side of the pot. Now glue the handle onto the front legs. Lastly, apply cellophane tape to the stick behind the bee. Now, you're done. Cut off the top part of the paper cup. Shorten the handle. Flatten the ends of the handle. Paste a double-sided tape on both sides of the pail. Stick on the handle. Now, paste some wording in front of the pail. You may also make more decorations. Now, let's make the broom. Stick a double-sided tape on both sides of a tissue paper. Fold the tissue into half and stick it. Cut the tissue paper into many strips. Stick the broomstick onto the double-sided tape. Now, you're done.